On November 2nd, 1965, Norman Morrison, a Baltimore Quaker, killed himself in front of the Pentagon by setting fire to his gasoline-soaked clothes. In inflicting violence upon himself to a limit hard to exceed, he wished to bear witness to the violence inflicted upon the Vietnamese people by his compatriots. The effect of his sacrifice upon the Americans is still difficult to measure, but the Vietnamese have got his message, and they have understood it. Nguyen, a Vietnamese who lives in Paris with her 3 children, spoke to us about Morrison and his wife Anne, to whom Morrison wrote a few moments before his act. I have seen what I must do as clearly as on that Friday night in August, when I knew that you would be my wife.
Pour le peuple vietnamien, c'est quelque chose de formidable de penser qu'un Américain manifeste de cette façon en se sacrifiant et en sacrifiant le bonheur de sa famille même pour une cause juste. Je trouve qu'il faut vraiment être infiniment sincère avec soi-même et courageux, bien sûr, pour arriver à ce geste-là. Et pour nous, non seulement le personnage de Morrison, enfin le geste qu'il a fait, très émouvant, a suscité non seulement de l'estime et un profond respect, une profonde admiration, mais je crois qu'il a encore augmenté l'amitié du peuple vietnamien pour le peuple américain. L'Amérique agresse un peuple qui ne lui fait aucun mal, car nous nous défendons contre les bombardements, les massacres, toutes les atrocités. Mais nous pensons même qu'en Amérique, il y a une autre guerre, une guerre enfin, du peuple contre tout ce qui est injuste. Et nous faisons une très très grande confiance au peuple américain. Et ce geste encore a augmenté en nous cette confiance et puis cet espoir qu'un jour, vraiment, les deux peuples, au lieu de s'unissent quoi, pour combattre l'erreur.
To understand what happened to Norman that day, we might begin with an article that he was reading, and which was reported in a Paris paper. The article was a story of a Catholic priest in South Vietnam who had seen his people massacred by United States and South Vietnamese bombs. This was all because Viet Cong had been known to be in the community and had taken refuge in the church at one point, but they were far removed from the village at the time that the airstrike was called on the village in South Vietnam. Can you get down? No. No more. This article was extremely moving to Norman. Most everyone knows he went to the Pentagon and poured kerosene on himself and used this form of protest, one that the Buddhist monks in South Vietnam had used, I think, a few times before. And around supper time, I began to get phone calls telling about what had happened. I didn't know for sure whether he was alive or dead, the exact details of it, until I actually went to Fort Myer Infirmary that night.
Mom, let's roll it.
Okay, you roll it. Give her a chance. Let her.
J'imagine qu'elle doit être tellement en accord avec son mari qu'elle trouve son geste pas tellement extraordinaire. Enfin, je veux dire qu'elle consent vraiment à ce geste, je crois, pour garder cette sérénité et cette maîtrise d'elle-même. Oui, je l'admire vraiment beaucoup.
I had no trouble understanding it at all because of the the kind of person that Norman was. Quite often at mealtime, we would talk about the incongruity of our health and prosperity and our three healthy, lovely children, contrasting this with the suffering of the people in Vietnam and how difficult it was to know that we were in some way responsible for this, how difficult it was to live with this. Part of what he must have wanted to say was, this is how it feels to be burned, as we are burning people, women and children and men every day. I knew that Norman was a kind of person who was willing to make a sacrifice for others if it seemed necessary. To do otherwise would be unbearable. For some people, it was an act of affirmation that one person can care that much for humanity, to give his life. I told both of his children what had happened right after they waked up the next morning. So I think somehow they probably understood better than the average children would, because they knew how Norman felt. Tina said, Daddy has died, but now his love has spread.
Ceux qui étaient jusque-là encore hésitants, après cet acte, pourraient mieux prendre position. C'est dans ce sens qu'il trace la voie, enfin, à ceux qui veulent bien voir la vérité, qui veulent bien la chercher. Je crois que tout ce qui est juste et vrai finira par triompher.
But I know one thing for absolutely sure, that individual lives have been changed by this. Changed in some cases dramatically towards concern for society, and I think it has been worth it. I mean, I think he would say this, 1,000 times over.